These icons here represent orientation. You should be familiar with orientations when you've set up pages like in Microsoft Word or Excel or even Google Docs. The first icon represents the portrait orientation, and portrait is a document in which the height is larger than the width. The one immediate to the right represents the landscape orientation, and landscape is a document in which the width is larger than the height. Here's an illustration that describes both orientations. Now in our case, the width is larger than the height, so that makes it a landscape orientation. If we selected portrait, notice the numbers. It's been switched. The width is now at 900 pixels and the height is at 1175. Let's return back to the landscape orientation. Please make sure the width is at 1175 and the height is at 900. Next, we have the Artboards checkbox. Let me show you a sample of what an artboard document looks like. Basically, it allows for several canvases for the user to work on simultaneously and can be saved as a single document. This works great when designing brochures that require several sections or the back and front of business cards. Please leave the Artboard checkbox unchecked.